Hello everyone, so here I've got my LT40. This is the Woodmizer LT40 Wide Sawmill. And if you look at the previous video that I just put out here, it has me loading this with the Kubota KX057-5. But I wanted to just speed this up 20 times to, so you don't have to sit here and watch like a 45 or 50-minute video of me cutting this log. But basically what I did here was I cut a few slabs off of one side, flipped it over 180 degrees, did the same thing again, just took a couple of cuts off those sides. From there, I'll then turn it 90 degrees and do the exact same thing again, and then one more 180 degree flip, and we'll do it again. That squares everything off, or maybe rectangles it, depending on the type of tree, depending on the cut, depending on any kind of knots or weird things that might be making the log have an unusual shape or something different to it. Now, this particular thing that I was doing, this project, was for a friend of mine. He was getting ready to go down to Florida this past summer for hurricane support, and they needed strips of pine, 1x2s actually, so that when they were doing recovery on someone's house, if a tree landed on their house, they could put tarp over it, and then they would wrap the tarp in these pine boards and would kind of nail them to the roof. That way the home was protected until the insurance company could take a look and until they could get somebody to come out and do the repair. So I milled this one log, and I think it produced 200 of those strips, if memory serves me correctly. So it's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. Hopefully you enjoy the video here. And we'll have a lot more of this to come. I've got, I don't know, a couple hundred logs to mill. I just don't have the back for it right now. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And feel free to comment, ask any questions if you have any. I'm happy to share them with you. Again, this is the LT40 Wide by Woodmizer.